Hello everyone, this is Esther. Today I'm going to show you how to embed your Zoom Schoology links into an assignment. This will allow students to see those Zoom links in their calendar on Schoology. It'll also make it easier for them to find 7 different Zoom links, and rather than going to updates, they can just go, like I said, to their calendar. Once you've created your Zoom, you're going to go into the scheduled meeting and click on that meeting. You're going to copy the invitation by copying the meeting invitation in its entirety. And then you're going to return to your materials. I'm going back to my week of April 20th folder that I created. Inside this folder, I'm going to add an assignment. I'm going to title the assignment Zoom Class Hours Link. And in the description, I'm going to Control V or paste the contents. I'm going to highlight and bold the Zoom link so students can see that the link is in there. Go ahead and put it in habit of accountability and factor it to 0. The bottom part is really important. Make sure that you only assign it to the specific section you created the Zoom link for. I created it for my period 5. I'm going to click on this green circle so it's no longer green. That means it's not going to be published for anyone else except for period 5. It's also really important that you date it. This is the only way it will show up in the calendar for students. So period 5 is going to be meeting on Wednesday at 11:35 a.m. And I'm going to disable submissions, meaning this isn't actually an assignment where students turn in anything. It's only an assignment for them to click on this link and attend the Zoom meeting. When you click create, what will happen is if a student clicks on their calendar, which is up here, they'll be able to see the school assignment that you just created with the link directly inside of their calendar event. And that's all for today. Thank you very much.